So we're going to be inserting a sparkline chart in this Chapter 4 Skills Exercise 5 Snap exercise. So we're going to highlight where we want the spark line to go. And then we're going to go into Insert, and we're going to choose the line spark line. And now it's asking us for a range of cells. And let's hit that little arrow so we can select B5 through E9. So we'll start here on B5, go across to E, and down to row 9. And then we'll click on the little arrow to get back into our dialog box. So the place it's going to put these spark lines is H5 through H9. We have selected B5 through E9, and we're going to click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And let's see, select the high point checkbox to show the high point on each line with a marker. So we'll turn that on. And we're going to click on Next. Change the spark line color to dark blue. It's the 9th option in the standard colors section. All right, so here's our standard colors. And they wanted dark blue. And we've now selected that. Change the width of column H to 21 characters. And type the label region sales by quarter in H4. So there's several different ways you can change the width. I'm simply going to right click on H, choose column width, key in 21. That way I know I have the width they want. And then I'm going to click on H4. And I'll put the label in region sales by quarter. And then let's go ahead and check the answer.